Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's something different. We don't really do this over here. I mean, I don't know. We do a little bit of everything, I guess. But I wanted to do something with my daughter. So I've been kind of eyeballing the viral dumplings. And I watch a lot of the unboxings on them. And I don't know. There's something satisfying about them that I just wanted to see for myself. And when I was at the store, I was only going to get one. And I was like, if I get one and she sees it, she's going to steal it. So I said, let me get 3 apiece and we will unbox them tonight. So that's what we're doing. I am going live over on Facebook to do this. So if you see it over there, that's cool. If you don't, then it's over here on YouTube. But I will link my Facebook in the description if you want to follow. You don't have to. I don't care. But I mean, if you want to, I'm trying to reach 1,000 followers, so I'm at 550. I lost my account and I had to build from ground up. So if you'd like to follow me, that'd be cool. A lot of my art's over there. So anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and get the live started over on Facebook, and yeah, so let's do that. We got 6 viral dumplings. And we're gonna open them for y'all. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm gonna let Olivia pick one out. Don't open it yet. Right. And I'm gonna pick one out. So I'm gonna let Olivia go first. Do you know how to open them?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Right, pull it up so the camera can see. Your camera's right here. She's so excited. Which color? Can you see? Oh, they're in a bag. Why are they in a bag? You got a blue one. Oh, he is satisfying, y'all. He is satisfying. That one's yours. She's so excited.
Look at this.
Alright, so I'm gonna open mine.
It's so squishy. It's so squishy.
You're a mess. You can't help it. Alright, my turn. How'd you open them so quick? She just like popped it open. Okay, we ready? This is how you want to do it. You want to show the camera. Ready? I got a purple one. I got purple.
I got blue.
Got blue. Will we get the rare though? What do you think? Do you think we'll get the rare?
Yep.
Ooh. Ooh, they smell like nail polish.
Same
Oh, it's like...
mine.
He's cute though.
It's squishy.
Okay. Alright, moving on. You want to move on?
Yeah. I need one. Wait.
Pick which one. Which one you want? Show them which one you want.
This one, guys.
You gotta point it to the camera. Like,
Hey guys, I want this one.
what color is it?
Gold.
Oh yeah, that's the rare one, baby. That's the one we're trying to get.
I'm gonna get it first. I'm gonna get it second. Now I'm gonna get it.
And just throw the paper over here because we'll pick it up in a minute. Okay, I should open it up like this so they can see.
Hey guys. That's easy.
No, look. Yep, I guess that's okay. Which color did you get?
I got blue again.
A blue again. Oh man. It's the same color blue. Aw.
We put it back in there?
We got our first duplicate.
Yeah. Yeah, but they're...
Okay, mine.
This is it.
Which color did I get? Oh, I got pink. That's one. Wasn't one of them I wanted. Is it pink or? I don't know. I think it's pink. It looks like between pink and lavender, but I think it's more pink. I don't know why they're in this, but ooh, I like the feel of this one. They stink though. They smell like varnish or paint, some kind of paint or fingernail polish or something.
Hey guys, you see my squishy? It's in his face. Hey guys, watch this. Squishy blade.
Pick your last one. Let her pick first. Alright. Open it up.
Okay. Push it over. I got a blue! Really?
You already seen it? Oh, you got another blue? She's got 3 blues. How did you get that kind of look?
Really? I was just kidding.
My turn.
Oh, no. Mommy!
Alright, here we go. I got another purple. We didn't get a rare, but that's okay. I got 2 purples and a pink, and she got 3 blues. I will probably give her one of my purples for one of her blues. But that's really all I had today. Just to do the dumplings. I should have bought the whole box. But they are nice and squishy. They just stink. These stink.
It's Kawaii's turn, guys.
Alright. But yeah.
Hey guys, here's one of my blues.
Thanks for... Look, I don't want all of these over here. You're going to start pushing buttons.
Hey guys, watch this. Blues.
So, if Olivia wants to trade one of the blues for one of the purples, she's more than welcome to have it. She's got 3 blues. You hear them? So satisfying, huh? What do you think of the smell, Olivia? Smell them.
It smells more plush.
They're not nice to smell.
What's that squishies?
I think this one's my favorite, though. It's
I want
pink.
the purple one.
Okay. Give me a pink. Give me a blue.
Okay.
No, take your box here. Put that here. Alright, so there we go. That's what we got. Anyway.
Hey guys, look! It's a blue. It's a blue.
That's what she's been waiting to do since I bought them. Alright, you ready to say goodbye?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hey guys, look! It's Papa's face.
Alright, bye.